Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing out there? This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money while doing Uber and Lyft, guys. It is a rainy morning in the coronavirus season, guys. Something definitely not to take lightly, but yeah, it is what it is. This is the time we're in right now, guys. It's been a decent morning. It wasn't as busy as I expected, but then I expected to be this way because a lot of people are not moving around because of coronavirus. At any rate, guys, I am actually not here to talk about coronavirus, guys. Obviously, you need to do what you need to do so you can protect yourself and protect your riders. I am here to talk about something that I see a lot of people do, and to be honest with you, it is a big mistake, and that is the reason why you wind up losing out on profits when you're out there driving Uber or Lyft, guys. Especially if you're doing this part-time, guys. The name of the game is you got to maximize your time and maximize your time and make the most profits with your time, guys. And this is one of the things that I see a lot of drivers do that you should not do. I mean, even though they tell you you should do this, but you shouldn't do this. And what prompted me to make this video is today. The other day, I actually had a request. I'm gonna make a left turn here. I actually had a request to pick somebody up, and they were taking a trip, and they actually had it scheduled. And so I had roughly about 10 or 15 minutes before I even had to be there. So I decided, since I had this time space, that I would utilize the time space instead of just sitting there waiting for this person, because the trip was on Uber, and when they schedule these trips, Uber will send you to go pick this person up, and you may get there earlier than the time for them to pick them up, and they've already put in, I requested to be picked up at this certain time. So you either A, wait for the person to be ready, or B, you can cancel the trip and possibly miss out on a pretty good trip. So what I do in these instances, because I do have that time span, I'll utilize it for something I need to do. And that particular morning, I needed to run by Walmart and grab something out of Walmart right quick. And since I had that 15 to 20 minute time span, that's what I did, guys. Instead of me turning the app off and not receiving trips, I actually went and ran my errand while I was actually in the middle of a trip request, because I had the time allotted to do that. Now, granted, I had 15-minute time span on that. Not every time that you have that time span, but it brings further acknowledgement to my point, what I'm trying to make. Stop turning your app off to go to the store to grab a snack, or go use a restroom, or unless you're in a bad situation, you got to use the restroom and be there for a period of time. But even with that, I don't even turn my app off, because hey, I might just have enough time to do what I need to do at the restroom and get back out on the street. But my point is, stop turning your app off because you don't have a request and you want to grab something to eat, or you want to grab something to drink, or you need to run to a store to go take care of something real quick. Do it with the app on, and then if you get a request, make sure you go ahead and get out there in a timely fashion so you can go and pick your rider up, and then you can get your personal stuff done while you are making money at the same time, guys, and you can still maximize your profits. And a lot of drivers, they do this because, quote unquote, if you have something you need to do, Uber and Lyft tells you can turn the app off and go take care of what you need to take care of. Well, when you do that, you might have potentially missed out on that ride that could have been that ride that, it's for 30 miles that pays out really well, or that trip that, that has a really nice tipper on it, or, somebody that tips really well, and you missed out on that trip because you decided, okay, I got to go use the restroom right quick. I'm going to go ahead and turn my apps off, go use the restroom, and head on back, when actually you could have been in the middle of sitting on the throne, dropping the kids off at the pool, and get a request to go out and make a nice $40 trip, and that'll be cool, So you got to understand, guys, that time is money. And me personally, I don't ever turn my app off when I'm out driving. If I'm out to do Uber and Lyft during this time span, I never turn my apps off. If I got to go to the restroom, I'm gonna go to the restroom with the app on. If I get a request, and I'm in the restroom, I'm accepting the request, and I'm gonna take that trip once I get done, because it's not like I'm in there all day. But I figured out a long time ago, when you start turning your app off to get something to eat.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Shut up, Siri. I swear Siri on my Apple Watch is annoying. Anyhow, guys, I find that the time that you turn your app off is usually the time you probably miss your most beneficial trip to your day when you're out doing Uber and Lyft. It'd be that trip that actually catapults you into making the kind of earnings that you want to make for the day, and you usually wind up missing that when you stop to get some chips or apple or whatever, or you go to use the restroom, or you say, okay, this store I need to go into right quick. I'm trying to get over here all week, and now I'm here. I'm going to turn my app off. No. You leave the app on. You go in the store. You do what you got to do, and you get a request. You come back out. Then that way you get to run your errands and make money at the same time, guys. It's not that complicated, guys. You know, stop making this mistake. It's just, don't make the mistake of doing that. That's how you lose money, especially if you're doing this part-time. And time is money, guys. Anyhow, I'm not going to hop on this no further. That's just it, guys. Stop turning your app off for unnecessary things, because you lose trips that way. That means you have to spend more time out of your house trying to hit that quota that you have daily, whether it's on a part-time or full-time basis, to make the money you want to make doing Uber and Lyft, guys. All right. That's it, guys. That's the end of the video for today. If this video makes sense to you guys, give me a thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel so that you can get my content as I put it out. Better yet, after you click the subscribe button, click on the bell in the bottom right corner. Then that way you will get email notifications, or a notification right across your phone letting you know that I have dropped new content, guys, for you to view and help you make more money. Also, if you are currently an Uber or Lyft driver and you were not able to take advantage of the bonus that you receive when you sign up to drive for Uber or Lyft with another driver, you can go to the links in the description below this video, use the current information that you currently use to drive with, because we don't want to do any funny business, get signed up, and you may be able to get your bonus retroactively paid back to you. If not, it's okay. It's all good, guys. You're already making money anyway. If you are a new person looking to do Uber and Lyft and you like my content, you can go to those same links below, get signed up. Once you start driving, you'll start making money. Once you take so many trips and such and such time that they deem necessary for you to get the bonus, you will get more money in the form of a bonus, direct deposit right into your bank account, guys. That's making money on top of money, which means money on money on money on money, which is a very good thing. Anyhow, guys, I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye for now. And oh yeah, stop cutting your apps off in between to take little quick breaks.